Your trip starts the moment you choose your travel bag. The right bag is your mobile home base, holding essentials, keeping you comfortable and ready for adventure. A good bag makes navigating busy streets and stations easy. A bad one weighs you down and adds stress. Packing smart means carrying confidence and independence. Overpacking is a common trap. Most travelers bring too much for what-if scenarios. The reality, you need far less than you think. The right bag encourages a minimalist mindset, making you more mobile and open to spontaneous opportunities. Packing light lets you say yes to last-minute plans without dreading your luggage. Choosing and packing your bag is the first step in taking control of your trip. A well-packed bag means less time worrying about logistics and more time soaking in new experiences. It sets you up for success as a traveler, more observant, patient, and present. Your bag is simply the tool that helps you get there. Travel is about freedom, not baggage. Start your journey with intention. Choose wisely, pack lightly, and let your adventure begin. The classic travel backpack is all about mobility. Hands-free, weight-balanced, perfect for stairs and trains. Wheeled suitcases shine in airports and hotels, offering easy rolling and better protection for your belongings. But wheels struggle on cobblestones and stairs, limiting your flexibility. Hybrid bags combine both, wheels and hidden backpack straps for versatility. The trade-off? Extra weight and less packing space. Your choice depends on your trip backpack for multi-city adventures, suitcase for business or resort stays, hybrid for mixed itineraries. Think about your route and comfort. The right bag fits your journey, not just the latest trend. Prioritize ease and adaptability. Your bag should make travel smoother, not harder. Choose what works for you, and get ready to move with confidence. The secret to packing light is a capsule wardrobe. Versatile pieces you can mix and match. For a week, pack 3 to 4 tops, 2 bottoms, and 1 extra layer. Stick to neutral colors for easy coordination, adding a pop of color with a scarf or top. 4 pairs of socks and underwear are enough. Wash as you go. 1 pair of comfortable walking shoes is essential. Wear your bulkiest pair in transit. Keep documents, passport, tickets, confirmations, secure and accessible with digital backups. Bring a universal adapter, power bank, and only the tech you truly need. Decant toiletries into travel-sized bottles. Solid toiletries save space and prevent spills. Pack a small first aid kit with basics and personal meds. Every ounce counts. Be selective. Smart packing means less stress and more freedom. Travel light, travel smart. Preparation is the ultimate luxury. And it all starts with what you choose to bring. How you pack matters as much as what you pack. Packing cubes keep clothes organized and compress space. Think of them as drawers in your bag. Roll casual clothes to save space and reduce wrinkles. Fold structured items neatly. Place heavy items at the bottom for balance. Shoes go in first, inside a bag to keep clothes clean. Fill gaps with socks and chargers. Toiletries and quick access items go on top. Don't overpack, leave about 20% of your bag empty. Travel is about discovery, and you'll want space for souvenirs. A foldable duffel bag is a great backup for the return trip. Packing efficiently means less hassle and more room for adventure. Stay organized, stay flexible. Make space for the unexpected. That's how you pack like a pro. Pack like a... Before you zip up, run through a final checklist. Documents, money, health items, clothes, electronics, and that extra duffel. When shopping abroad, ask, is this worth carrying home? Choose meaningful, well-crafted souvenirs over clutter. Pack fragile items in the center of your clothes for protection. Use your main suitcase for breakables. Fill the duffel with soft items if needed. Packing light gives you freedom to be spontaneous and present. The best souvenirs are memories, perspectives, and stories. Bring home a few treasures, but let your experiences be your richest keepsakes. Travel is about collecting moments, not things. Stay nimble, stay curious. That's the mark of a pro traveler. And that's how you make every journey unforgettable.